Namaste. Today I will tell you about an ashram which I have visited 2 times. First time I have visited in 2018 and second time in the end of 2022. This ashram is more into organic farming. It is the place where first Kada Siddheshwara Swamiji came and settled there in 7th century CE. This ashram is located in the Kolhapur in Maharashtra. This mutt is based on Kada Siddheshwara tradition and there are many spiritual activities going on in this ashram. It was previously known as a Canary mutt and now it's known as a Siddhagiri mutt. It's very famous for its educational activities and farming and spiritual programs. This mutt is having temples and there is also a Siddhagiri Gram Jeevan museum. This museum showcases village life of India. Sri Siddhagiri mutt is also famous for organic farming, Vedic school and many cultural activities. They have developed a unique kind of farming is called as a Lakpati Sheti. In just 1 acre of land, they have yielded 110 varieties of crops. The mutt also has Ayurvedic hospital, organic farm, shelter for animals and many things. If you are interested in doing some Go Seva, you can go there and do Seva of 2000 cows. They roam around very freely. So mutt also run a many number of educational programs for school and college kids. And they also organize vocational programs for adults. From 20th February 2023, for 1 week long, they are organizing a huge festival. This festival is called as a Panchmahabhut Utsav. Whether you are a spiritual seeker, otherwise a explorer of ashram, or if you want to learn organic farming, this Siddhagiri mutt is must visit place. You can go there and volunteer there, otherwise you just stay there, enjoy ashram life and do many other things. If you have any questions, please comment below. I will reply you within a few hours. If you are using Instagram, please follow me on Instagram and you can send me direct messages. If you have any private questions, directly message me there on Instagram. Instagram ID is Hariom Pajaka. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel and keep in touch with me. Namaste.